Looking for the best home gym equipment picks for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 home gym equipment picks that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a home gym equipment picks that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended home gym equipment picks. Number 1 on the list is Ringfit Adventure. Have a Nintendo Switch? Great, welcome to your new home gym with the addition of Ringfit Adventure. It comes with a Ring-Con and leg strap, with the Ring-Con slotting a Joy-Con in with the leg strap holding the other Joy-Con for a complete motion tracking experience. This combination tracks when you're running, squatting, pressing the ring in and out with surprising accuracy. A far cry from the old Wii Fit and motion game accuracy of yesteryear. Players are tasked with completing tracks by jogging, jumping, squatting, and more to traverse various obstacles, with intense exercise assigned to monster battles. Leg lifts, star jumps, and more deal damage to enemies, some of which are more effective on some monsters than others, in order to knock them out and progress. For players looking for a more traditional experience, they can pick from a range of exercise moves and build their own daily workout routine. There are also music-timed mini-games that focus on resistance training with the Ring-Con, including music from The Legend of Zelda and Super Mario Odyssey. It doesn't matter if you're a gamer or not, this is a pick-up-and-plays exercise tool that really works alongside a bit of discipline. Second on the list is Bowflex PR 3000 Home Gym. For those looking for a more traditional home gym setup, Bowflex PR 3000 Home Gym does everything you need it to. Providing you have enough space for its large footprint, its power rod resistance provides as little as 5 or as many as 210 pounds of power rod resistance. This should be more than enough weight and resistance for most home gym users. The quick-change power rod system is surprisingly easy to operate thanks to the multi-use hand grip and ankle cuffs. These add flexibility and performance to any workout this home gym supports. The no-change pulley system allows users to instantly switch to a different exercise feature easily too. If the 210 pounds of weight aren't enough to break a sweat for some users, this bit of the best home gym equipment supports upgradable power rod resistance to 310 pounds. Worried about the Bowflex PR 3000 Home Gym holding up with that extra weight? Well, the frame is a heavy steel fabrication, so there's no need to worry when it comes down to build quality. Number 3 on the list is TRX Fit System Suspension Trainer. Instead of buying weights for your home gym that takes up room, why not just use your own weight instead? No, we've not gone mad. We're talking about investing in the TRX Fit System Suspension Trainer. This best home gym equipment pick packs into a small bag and can be attached to doors, trees, you name it to get a good workout. TRX also have their own workout subscription service. A 30-day free trial is included with the suspension trainer, which includes unlimited access to 500+ on-demand workouts and daily live classes guided by world-class trainers, tested and trusted by athletes, fitness trainers, and physical therapists. This best home gym equipment pick is a solid choice that is easy to store and yields some solid results. For those worrying about the safety of this best home gym equipment pick, its locking carabiner clips and loop design keeps the straps anchored and even. Number 4 on the list is Bowflex SelectTech 552 Adjustable Dumbbells. Why should a pyramid of dumbbells take up precious floor space when less money could be spent on adjustable dumbbells instead? That's right, rather than making an iron throne in your home gym, take a look at Bowflex SelectTech 552 Adjustable Dumbbells. By simply turning a dial on the ends of these best home gym equipment picks, users can automatically change resistance from 5 pounds to 52.5 pounds, replacing 15 sets of weights. These dumbbells are set to enjoy the included 1 year of JRNY membership. JRNY provides classes and workout routines, which ultimately provide structure and keep users in the workout game for longer. Forget the days of clanking and noisy dumbbells. SelectTech 552 adjustable dumbbells have a molded coating around their metal plates for quieter workouts. This doesn't sound like a big deal, but anyone who lives in a family home or in an apartment block will thank us for letting them know. Number 5 on the list is Capelli Sport Fitness Mat. A fitness mat is probably the last thing that is going to enter anyone's mind when thinking about kitting out a home gym, but it's probably one of the most important bits of kit. Impact damage on joints and muscles is real and can cause some serious damage in later life if users don't exercise correctly. Once the damage is done, there's no going back and can lead to all sorts of joints and arthritic problems down the line, regardless of doing simple exercise. Cardiovascular, or weight training, doing it on a shock-absorbent and comfortable surface won't only pay off in the long run, but it'll make sure exercise is as comfortable as possible. This particular home gym equipment pick features extra thick NBR foam which adds comfort and some shock absorption to any floor workout. The longer length of the mat allows for all kinds of floor workouts for most users, regardless of whether you're doing push-ups or yoga. Just now is a list of 5 best home gym equipment picks that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, you will receive our latest videos. Thank you.